Hey everyone, and welcome back to CodeMechanic. So, what exactly is U0415? The official definition is invalid data received from the ABS module. Let's break that down. Your Lincoln is packed with various computers, or modules, that constantly talk to each other over a network called the CAN bus. Think of it like a group chat for your car's electronics. The ABS module, which controls your anti-lock brakes and stability control, is a key member of this chat. Code U0415 gets said when another module, usually the power steering control module or PSEM. Here's something from the ABS module that just doesn't make sense. It's like getting a garbled text message. The PSEM knows it received data, but it can't understand or use it. Now, you might be thinking, invalid data. What does that even mean? This isn't about the ABS module going completely silent. If it did, you'd likely see a U01 code, which means lost communication with ABS module. The U0415 is more subtle. The ABS module is online and sending signals, but the data itself is corrupt, out of range, or nonsensical to the receiving module. A common culprit is a faulty wheel speed sensor. The ABS module relies on these sensors to know how fast each wheel is spinning. If one sensor is sending erratic signals, the ABS module might pass that bad data along the network, triggering the U0415 and the PSEM. So, how do you diagnose this? The first step, as always, is a full vehicle scan with a high-quality diagnostic tool. Don't just look at the PSEM. You need to pull codes from every single module in the car. Most of the time, the U0415 will be a secondary, or symptom, code. The real problem, the root cause code, will almost always be hiding in the ABS module itself. Look for codes related to wheel speed sensors, like C0031, C0034, C0037, or C003A, which correspond to the front left, front right, rear left, and rear right sensors, respectively. Let's say you find a code like C0034 for the right front wheel speed sensor. That's your prime suspect. Your troubleshooting should now focus entirely on that sensor and its circuit. You'll want to visually inspect the sensor and the wiring harness for any obvious damage, like chafing, corrosion, or breaks. Check the tone ring on the wheel hub or axle shaft for damage, debris, or excessive rust that could interfere with the sensor's reading. If the visual inspection looks clean, you'll need to test the sensor's electrical circuit. Using a multimeter, you can check for proper voltage, ground, and signal. A great way to test a wheel speed sensor is with an oscilloscope. While spinning the wheel, you should see a clean, consistent, square wave pattern. Any dropouts, spikes, or inconsistencies in that pattern point to a faulty sensor or a problem with the tone ring. Once you've identified and fixed the root cause in the ABS system, whether it was a bad sensor, a damaged wire, or a faulty tone ring, you can clear all the codes from all the modules. Then, take the car for a test drive. Make sure to drive it long enough for all the system self-tests to complete. When you get back, perform another full vehicle scan. If the U0415 and the ABS codes are gone and stay gone, you've successfully fixed the problem. Remember, with network communication codes like U0415, the key is not to chase the code itself, but to find the source of the bad information. In the case of this Lincoln-specific fault, your investigation should almost always start and end with the ABS module. It's the origin of the data, and that's where the problem lies. I hope this guide helps you tackle the U0415 code with confidence. It might seem complicated, but with a systematic approach, you can pinpoint the issue and get your Lincoln back on the road safely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to CodeMechanic and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.